10 years. We are still here.
I know. My hands are tired.
The walls are still strong.
Maybe we cannot win this war.
Don't say that. We need a new plan.
A new plan? What plan?
Something they will never expect.
Tell me. I'm listening.
Not here. Come with me tonight.
Okay. I trust you.
Look, I have a plan.
A horse? A big wooden horse?
Yes, we build it very tall.
Why do we need a horse?
Men can hide inside it.
Inside the horse? That's crazy.
Crazy, but it can work.
What if they don't take it inside?
They will. It looks like a gift.
A gift and a danger. I like it.
Get inside, quickly.
It's so dark in here.
Stay still. Don't make noise.
My legs hurt already.
We wait until night.
How long is the wait?
A few hours. Be patient.
I can hear my own heart.
That means you're still alive.
Pinpoint. Let's stay alive.
They brought the horse into the city.
I can hear them having a party.
Good. They think the war is over.
When do we come out?
When the city is asleep.
It's quiet now. Is it time?
Yes. Open the door slowly.
My hands are shaking.
Stay close to me. Move fast.
Troy will not see the morning.
We won. The war is finally over.
I can't believe it. 10 years?
Now we go home to our families.
Wait, something feels wrong.
What do you mean?
The sky. Look at the sky.
Dark clouds. That wasn't there before.
I think some gods are angry.
We fought bravely. That's all that matters.
I hope the gods think the same.
Load the ships. We leave today.
Finally, I can see my home again.
The sea looks calm this morning.
How long until we reach Ithaca?
Not long. A few weeks, maybe.
I miss my wife and my son.
Soon you'll see them again.
I hope they still remember me.
Of course they do. Now, raise the sail.
Yes, let's go home.
The wind is getting stronger.
The sky just turned black.
Hold the ropes. Hold on tight.
The waves are too big.
Don't let go. Stay together.
I think this is not a normal storm.
You're right. Someone is angry.
Is it the gods?
I don't know. Just stay alive tonight.
I'm trying.
Land. I can see land.
Finally, my legs are so happy right now.
Wait, something feels different here.
What do you mean, different?
Look at those trees. Look at that light.
This island, it's not normal.
We need water and food. We must go in.
I hear something. Is that a voice?
Stay close. Don't go alone.
I won't. I promise.
Where is he? Where is your brother?
He went into the cave. He didn't come back.
We have to find him now.
I'm scared. What's in there?
I don't know, but we can't leave him.
Wait, I hear something moving.
Run, everyone, run now.
We lost him. We lost another one.
I know. I'm so sorry.
How many more will we lose?
You've been quiet since last night.
I keep seeing their faces, the ones we lost.
You need to rest. You look tired.
I can't sleep. I close my eyes and I see Troy.
That was a long time ago now.
Was it? It doesn't feel that way.
Hey, look at me. We are still a good team.
A tired team, but still a team.
Then rest tonight. Tomorrow, be strong again.
I'll try. That's all I can do.
Tell me again, what happened at Troy?
I already told this story many times.
Tell it again. I want to understand.
The horse, the fire, the noise.
You always stop at the same part.
Because I don't want to remember the rest.
Maybe the story changes each time you tell it.
Maybe it's easier that way.
Easier for who? For you or for us?
I don't know anymore.
Where is everyone? Where are the others?
Gone. The sea took them. The island took them.
It's just us now.
Just us and this empty ship.
I keep thinking, why am I still here?
I ask myself the same question.
Maybe I should have died with them.
Don't say that. You still have a home.
Does a home still wait for a man like me?
Let's find out.
The king has been gone for years.
Some men say he is never coming back.
Every day, more of them come to the palace.
They eat our food. They drink our wine.
And they want to marry the queen.
This is not a happy home anymore.
The queen still says no to all of them.
How much longer can she wait?
I don't know, but something has to change soon.
I fear it will change badly.
My lady, they're asking again, when will you choose?
Tell them I need more time.
You've said that for years now.
Then I will say it for more years.
They grow angry. They don't want to wait.
Let them be angry. My husband will return.
How do you know that? It's been so long.
I don't know it. I choose to believe it.
And if you're wrong?
Then I was wrong, but I did the right thing.
They're sitting at the king's table again.
They act like they already own this palace.
One of them said he'll take the throne by force.
By force? They can't just take it.
They can, if no one stops them.
Where are the guards? Where is the order?
Most are too scared to speak up now.
This home needs its king back.
Do you think he's still alive?
I have to believe he is.
You've grown so much this year.
I don't feel grown. I feel lost.
What do you mean, lost?
Everyone talks about my father like a hero.
He is a great man.
But I never met that man. Only stories.
Then you must learn to be strong, too.
How? I don't even know where to start.
Start by keeping your family safe.
My mother. This home. I understand.
I want to leave now.
Leave? Where will you go?
I have to find my father. I can't wait here any longer.
The sea is dangerous. You know this.
I know, but staying here is worse.
What if you find nothing? What if he's gone?
Then at least I tried. At least I looked.
Your mother will worry every day you're gone.
Tell her I did this for both of us.
Be careful. Come back to us.
This is the last test before home.
You've survived so much already. What is this one?
The hardest one. It will test my mind, not just my body.
Are you ready?
I have to be ready.
Many men tried before. They could not do it.
I am not those men. I have to go home.
Then go. This is your last step.
Wake up. You have arrived.
This is Ithaca?
Yes, but you don't look like yourself anymore.
What do you mean? What happened to me?
The gods have changed your face.
No one will know me like this.
That may be a good thing, not a bad thing.
How can this be good?
No one will see who you are. You can watch first.
Then that's what I'll do.
Keep your head down. Don't speak much.
This is your own home. You must hide in it.
For now, yes, it's not safe yet.
I see them, the men who took over your home.
Stay calm. Watch. Learn who they are.
My hands want to fight right now.
Not yet. Wait. That will win this, not anger.
How long must you wait like this?
Until the right moment comes.
Then we will wait, but not much longer.
I need to speak with you, alone.
Who are you? Why do you look at me this way?
Look closer. Look past this face.
That voice. It can't be.
It's me. It's your father.
Father, is it really you?
Yes, I've come home to you.
I looked for you. I always believed you were alive.
I know, and now we finish this together.
Together. Tell me the plan.
We don't have many men. We must be smart.
I trust your plan, Father. What do we do first?
We wait for the right day.
And the true men in the palace?
Quietly, they will help us.
How many can we truly trust?
Few, but few is enough if we're careful.
What about Mother? Does she know?
Not yet, not until the moment is right.
Then let's make sure this plan works.
The queen has set a test.
Whoever can use this bow will marry her.
One by one the men try.
And one by one they fail.
An old beggar asks to try.
A beggar? This is crazy.
Let him try. What harm can it do?
Watch closely. Something feels different about him.
He holds the bow like he's done it before.
He did it. He really did it.
You wanted the king's home. Now you have the king.
Odysseus? This can't be true.
I've come back for what is mine.
You've been gone for 20 years.
Not gone, just delayed.
Guards, someone stop him.
No one is stopping me, not today.
We are sorry. We did not want to hurt you.
You sat at my table. You put my family in danger.
Please, please stop.
Penelope, it's really me.
I need to be sure. Let me look at you.
Ask me anything. Only your real husband knows the answer.
20 years I waited. 20 years I believed.
And I fought every day to come back to you.
You're home now. That's all that matters.
We will build our home again, together.
Our son stands beside us now, a man.
We lost so much, but we found our way back.
Home. Finally, home.